Hey there, first grade. So it's Phonics Friday, right? I mean, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, it's always Phonics. But we're getting ready to finish up a unit and lots of things are going on. We're getting ready to have some asynchronous time next week and then it's spring break. And I thought, well, actually, Mrs. Bluette thought she's really sometimes just a whole lot smarter than me. She's like, why start a new unit now? Wait until after spring break. Oh yeah, Mrs. Bluette, that makes tons of sense. That's what I should totally do. And so I thought, well, I just don't want to leave you with no phonics though, because what would your life be without phonics? Phonics is amazing. And so I thought about what are some fun things that we could do just to practice phonics. And I thought, you know what we really need up in here? We need a phonics game day. Phonics game day. So I have made us a phonics game day. And the slide looks a little different today. So I'm going to show you some of these games. Some of them you already know. So Coconut Vowel Teams, you already know how to play that. This is called Forest Phonics. This one's a little bit different. I'm going to show you how to play. And it focuses mostly on vowel teams. Takes a second to warm up. Come on, little computer. There we go. All right. And so in Forest Phonics, you click on either a blend or a vowel team or a spelling pattern. I want you to focus here. Do you see these right here? E-E, E-A, A-Y, A-I, O-W, and O-A. So these 6. We'll leave everything else alone, okay? So I'm going to pick A-Y. And a little, is that a slug? A snail? I'm not entirely sure. You click on that, and then they drag it across, and ew, there's its line. So now they want you to spell the word stray. So let's see. Stir. Those are sticky letters, right? Stir. And then the vowel team A-Y, stray. And I'm going to check it. I guess that means I was right. All right, let's check the next one. There's that slug again. I'm going to click on him. It may rain. M-A-Y. And if I click right here, I can check it. May. Now I'm going to check here. I'm not really sure how those tell you if you're right or wrong, but check that little eyeball on the top after you've made your word, because then you can check for sure. Sway. Sway. Okay. Check that little eyeball. If you need to hear it again. And then you can hit check. Okay? Awesome. So that is Forest Phonics. Now, this is called Vowel Team WhackaMole. Have you guys ever played this game before? I used to love this game at, what's that place called? It was called Showbiz when I was a kid. Chuck E. Cheese? Is that what it's called now? Is that even a thing anymore? I don't know, but they used to have a game called WhackaMole, and I used to love it. So you are going to only hit the mole that uses a vowel team. So take a look. We're going to hit sweep because it had the vowel team EE. All right, whack the moles that are words with vowel teams. Read the words. Go. Stripe, fizz, burn. None of those are vowel teams. Toe. Yep. Burn. Clay. Feet has a vowel team. Nope, not bird. Feet has a vowel team. So does toast. Oh, one just went down there. We got that level. So now we go to the next level. Ooh, I got a time bonus. Here come the moles. Whack the moles that are words with vowel teams. Feet, that's one. Sweep has a vowel team. Sweep has a vowel team. Mow has a vowel team. Paint has a vowel team. Sweep has a vowel team. Toast has a vowel team. Toad has a vowel team. Amazing, right? Okay, so that is vowel team WhackaMole. Then you also have these two Phonics arcades to choose from. I've given you these before. And each game is linked to a different phonics activity. They are not necessarily centered around vowel teams. They're just good phonics activities. Okay, some of them are rhymes, some of them are consonant vowel consonant words, some of them are spelling patterns, some of them are vowel teams. So we have Phonics Arcade 1, and then we have Phonics Arcade 2. All right. So those are your games. Those are your choices for today. Lucky you, Phonics Game Day. We'll probably include this, well, at least with my class, in some asynchronous time next week. So enjoy your Phonics fun game day, and I'll be back on Monday with something new and exciting. Have a great Friday, guys.